cancer of the blood. In this case, this guy suffered cancer of the blood for years and was planning to go to China for treatment. After all, he focused on plant-based stem cell from Phytoscience, and this is the real resource.
Also a cancer survivor, so she introduced me to Phytoscience. And when I came out, I had not taken any medicine at all. I was not put on any medication. I was still running my labs. So when I came, I was given this, and then I read it. So it was 3, and I was asked to take it. So my symptoms were, I had swollen lymph nodes, that is, my joints were swollen, and then I had side pains, back pains. I also had, I felt nauseous every morning, and I throw up immediately I eat. And every time I eat, I have to sleep. I have to sleep for 10 minutes before I can do anything. So when I started taking it, I actually didn't pay attention. But truthfully, I realized that the morning symptoms went off. At first, when I'm walking, I'm holding a bottle that I spit inside because I can't talk for 10 minutes without spitting. I don't have to spit. But after a time, I realized that it went. And my doctors recommended that I go to China for the chemotherapy. But later, when I went for review, I was told that I should hold on because they are seeing improvement. But I wasn't taking any medication. So I was asked if I was taking medication. I said no, I wasn't taking any form of medication. So I said I was taking communion wine and I was hoping on God. That was all I said. And I started taking, so I stopped going for review for about 2 months. And then when I went for review 2 months later, my daughter asked me if I'm the same person that he's reading his medical labs, because I look different from the labs he's reading.
Wow.
And the labs he's reading, I should be hospitalized by now or I should be bedridden. And I was like, there's nothing wrong with me. So he kept asking if I was feeling any symptoms. I said no symptoms, no pain, nowhere. And I had constipation for 3 months. So my tummy was very big and I had grown very lean. And I was asked to go for colonoscopy so that they pull the fluid out and then I can pass feces easily. But when I started taking it, I realized that every morning I'm able to go to the toilet free. And so I'm supposed to do my final diagnosis in January next year. But so I can't give you a fixed report on how far it's gone, but I can say that personally, my health is back. I started work a month ago, and I've been going to work. I've been active. I've never reported sick. I've never had headache ever since I started work. And so this is a very good medicine. And in fact, yesterday I had food poisoning, and I just poured one of this in water and drank, and that was it.
Wow.
So this is a good medicine.